I'm Douglas from Jordan Douglas, where we do the common uncommonly well. And in less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how we do our dryer vent service. When we clean out your dryer vents, we are able to do most of the work from the outside with a compressor like this one. We have a customized reverse nozzle that blows air backwards. Because the compressor is able to produce just under 100 pounds of pressure per square inch, it's very effective at moving lint, which is, of course, extremely light. If you opt in for inside cleaning as well, we'll come in and clean any lint from the inside connections, which is usually minimal after doing the cleaning from the outside. If you have stacked units, there will have to be room for our tech to get in behind. Our prices don't include moving stacked washers and dryers out of their place and putting them back in again, unless clearly noted in the quote.